Welcome to VeeHive. How many times have you cut off your lights at night in your kitchen and discover your under cabinet lights have blown? So guys, today what I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace your bulbs up under your counter and to have them back on in just a snap. So stay tuned. So guys, this one little fuse bulb, I'm not sure if you can see, it moved. That should let you know that it has blown. This one little bulb can cause you to be without lights. So let's get into how to install the bulbs under your counters. First thing you want to do, move everything from off your countertop. Make sure that you have enough space to replace the bulbs. Next, what you want to do is remove the caps from your lights. I have one already down. Now I'm going to remove the other two. Now remove your old bulbs. Now it is time to install your bulb. My bulb size is a G8. Here you can see I was struggling. Well, come to find out, I know the reason why I was struggling. The contractors put the lights on backwards. Here you can see where the bulbs go. There is a very small two-prong hole in each one. You place the bulb and slide it in, and voila, the bulbs work. Now you can see both bulbs has been installed. So now let's see if that works. Voila, the lights are on and working. So the size of our bulb for up on our cabinets is the G8 halogen bulb. So I'm not sure if you can see that. But it is the G8 halogen bulb. So guys, I'm going to turn off my light. I'm going to show you what it was looking like down here all before I put the bulbs in. And now I'm going to show you after what it's going to look like. Let me explain one thing first, what I discovered. On this side, the contractor that built the home actually put it in the right way. You can see the two holes push the bulb right in. But on this side, they put it backwards. So therefore you have to feel your way around to put it in. But nevertheless, I got them in. So now I'm gonna show you what it looked like before, and now I'm gonna show you what it's gonna look like after. This is what our kitchen would look like in the night. But now guys, because I just put the bulbs in, this is what our under counter looks like now. So I am super, super happy that the lights are now officially back on. As I was doing that, I discovered the bulb on the microwave now is out, the other one. But guys, look at the difference compared to no bulbs to bulbs. So this is the easiest way, guys, how to install the under counter bulbs up under your counter. I will put a screenshot of what it looks like under there with the two little dots to put the bulb in. I will insert that. But guys, I just wanted to bring this video to you. Please like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out. And you know what I always say here at the VeeHive, I gotta go, but I will be back. And until the next time, guys, bye. 'Cause it's the same game.